Look at that guy, just hanging around, ready to destroy me. Peace. My. Look at the haul. I got everything in here from my local tractor supply store. I have eggplant, Cherokee purple tomatoes, a couple of beautiful flowers there, some chilies so I can burn Feodora's mouth, and some type of yellow tomato. But right now I'm focused on these. Eggplant. We're gonna put these in here. And we just break off these lower leaves. It hasn't rained in a while, so the water's low. But at least I can get down there and get that stuff. And we shake it all about. And we let it go. And there we go. I got the eggplant down. This will be my first time growing eggplant successfully, if it is successful. And if you like what you saw here, give me a thumbs up. Boom! It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace. From the Garden of Feodora. May 1st, 2018. This is how my cabbage is looking. It's taking over the whole mouth of the 5-gallon bucket. My yellow cherry tomatoes, both of them. Eggplants, strawberries in a tire, strawberries with stormtroopers. Carrots are coming along. Potatoes are showing their lovely side. Compost, more carrots, radishes, tomato, sunflowers my daughter planted, rosemary, cabbage, more cabbage, another cabbage. And that's what's happening so far. Are you growing yet? I hope so. And as always, also there, I got a dragon cayenne. I went back and threw some marigolds around my tomatoes. I'm going to put one of these marigolds over here. It smells amazing. Oh, they smell good. Yes, they do. So I'll put another right there. And with my two women, my eggplants here, I put down a yellow bell pepper. The lights just came on. Man, which means those are gonna come on soon too. And as far as my carrot beds go, I have plans for them. You'll see. You'll see what I'm gonna do. And since it's late, that's gonna come on too. I'm going to fill it up with water soon, but we're not getting any rain. And that's it. I just want to say thank you for rocking with the best. Good night, my garden. And Feodora, Daddy loves you. Good night, my darling. And we wish you peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. Daddy loves you.